Obviously, you would have already seen the title and you know what I'm here to talk about. But still, I'm gonna say it any which ways because I like it. कहाँ है यार? अरे भाई कहाँ है? अरे पकड़ा दो यार, दे दो.
How disgusting!
अरे वो क्या मजाक कर रहे हैं आप? ये इसी की तो बात हो रही है. Thank you so much guys for 1 million subscribers on YouTube. I'm just so happy and I'm still so surprised and I'm so shocked. I never thought this journey so far. But no, I have achieved all of this because of you, and you guys have loved me so much, and I'm just so glad. Thank you so much. I can see myself in here. Hello. Oh, hi. I can see the camera also. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna stop this now. बहुत ज़्यादा heavy है, मतलब क्या YouTube वालों ने सोच के बनाया था ये कि मतलब exercise भी हो जाए साथ में. I'm just gonna keep you here. Don't feel left out at all. You can see the top of it. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about this. Thank you so much everybody. आप लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया है, इतना support दिया है, इतनी मेरी मेहनत को पसंद किया. I don't even know how to say it, but I never thought that I'll be making content on YouTube and one day you guys are gonna love it, and one day I'm gonna reach 1 million subscribers, and then I'm also gonna be a YouTuber and all that. I've not thought about it. Thank you so much, and thank you for loving my content. I try to come up with different stuff and new stuff just to keep you all happy and आप लोगों को entertain करने के लिए, and always you guys can give me suggestions on what to do, and I just want to update you guys about my life and what I'm doing and you know how things are. I love to do that, and I wish and I hope, I pray that मैं हमेशा ही ऐसे content बनाती रहूँ, and I keep you guys happy, smiling always. You guys have supported me in each and everything, be it my TV shows, my reality shows, my ads, my music videos, my Instagram content, now my YouTube content, everything. So I'm so blessed, and I'm so happy that I've got this support और इतना प्यार आप लोगों की तरफ से. And I don't know what I've done to deserve this. I just try to keep working hard, and I keep myself positive all the time. That's what I do, and I know this, that even in the future I'll always work hard in each and everything that I do. And just with your support, your love and your blessings, I just want to keep growing and making crazy content on YouTube for you guys. So thank you for loving me, the stupid little crazy clumsy Avneet. But that's for me. I'm not stupid, I'm smart. The rest of it was fine. Then I love you guys so much. Also, I promise there are many more things coming on YouTube very soon, so stay connected and I'll keep you guys updated. I love you all. Thank you so much for this, for everything, and I'm just so happy. I'm gonna put this in my room now. I love you, and I love you guys too. Okay, bye, take care now. I love you all. Bye. Where do you want to be put? But अरे बताओ तो कहाँ तुम्हें, like I should give you like a nice space, you know. Feel like you're so golden. You're so golden. I love you. Shut up.